Well, came up here on a whim. Had to make a deal with the devil. That's the devil. Hi, devil. But, got myself 2 lockers. Well, 1.5 lockers. Better hit my truck. That's close. So, I hate silent auctions. I really do. I paid $1,010 for this locker. I really like it. It's got 1, 2, 3 bikes in it. That's a pair of Jeep half doors. I just sold a set for $650, so I know I'll get at least the same out of those. Got all these bike parts. This is a Honda CB354. Real nice shape, actually. Someone took care of it. I think this guy passed away, unfortunately. Honda motor there. Sidecar, which is freaking awesome. There's another motorcycle frame back there, and the sidecar frame. Got seats. There's some wind jammers. Got a Honda Flat 4. We've got this awesome chopper. The aftermarket frame with the spring in it. Look at those seats. That's awesome. Are you okay? Alright, I thought something was attacking you. It sounded like something was attacking you. Oh, he died in Super Mario's. Oh. Hippo hands? Vetter hippo hands. Oh, I know what those are. Those are awesome. So, yeah. Like I said, that was Charles. I call him the devil. Long story. I'm trying to act civil with him, but... So, get a lock on this one, and I'll show you the other one real quick. Yeah, I gotta get out of here. I got a couple things you gotta pick up. We're way up in northern Illinois. I didn't know about this auction until last night. So, like I said, it was kind of like on a whim, basically. So, I'll get my lock on here and get going. I'll show you the next one. Give me a second. Alright, this is the other locker. It's a sister unit. So picture a snap-on bottom box, a mid-chest, and a side cabinet sitting right here. That was the deal with the devil part of it. And there was a lawnmower here, shitty lawnmower, nothing special. Cheap toolbox here. So we worked it out so that he paid me for half of what I paid for this locker, and he took a bunch of the tools, basically. I mean, sometimes you got to do what you do at these auctions. Otherwise, I probably would have had to pay like $2,000 each for these lockers, so at least. So it is what it is, you know. You gotta bend a little bit to gain some ground sometimes. But I was seeing these Mopar boxes. That one's empty. Oh, great. Well, here's the Corbeau seats. Those actually have some value. There's a Mopar box back here that's still sealed. Another one here that's still sealed. I think these are going to be top kits. Yeah, this is top kit frost white. It feels like it's, you know, still in there, never used. So those are going to be good, I know for sure. Got a Wilton Vice. Is it a Wilton 4300? That's a nice one. I got to keep the Snap-on top box. Bunch of Jeep parts in here. Bunch of Honda parts. There's a brand new crankshaft for a Honda. That's probably minimum 500 bucks right there by itself. And God only knows what else is under there. So I'm happy. It's all stuff I know I can sell. It's all stuff I like to find. So he got some tools to make some money on for the day. He's happy. And we can work towards getting along a little bit. So all right, I gotta go. Gotta pick something else up. See you guys later. Oh shit. So, thanks Neil. Thanks. Got stuck at a truck inspection. Somebody had a wig hanging off the back of my truck. We got flagged and pulled over, and then they found the dildongers hanging off the front bumper. Thanks, Neil. Thanks. The one time Neil's not driving, I get hit. Yeah. There you go. This guy's with. Oh, this guy's stuck over here too. Oh boy. So I got one light that isn't working apparently. So we'll see what happens. Stay safe, everybody. Well, finally made it here after getting stopped on the side of the road for 30-40 minutes. Could have been worse. Just got warnings. Oh yeah, we can fit all this.
Yeah, let's see what we can.
All right, let's get to work. So it looks like we have a Honda 750 motor in pieces. Check that out.
Oh, that's cool.
Right?
Yeah, you don't see those.
There's, probably some fun parts in there.
Why is this so heavy? Oh,
Right?
Crank in there.
Oh, the crank's in there?
Yeah.
Okay. I was trying to figure it out myself. It had 13,000 miles on it. More carburetors. That was aftermarket?
No. Shouldn't be. Got some aftermarket G-Gats in them at least.
9,000 RPM.
Yeah, no, those look like the right ones.
Oh,
Although these are an interesting touch.
yeah. The old stocky Mopar. Here, try and slide that out. Look at that. That's worth a decent amount.
Yeah.
New old stock. I wish these seats were any color other than red, because I'd actually use them in something. Those are nice seats. What do you think?
If they weren't red, I might buy them.
See? I know those ain't cheap, right?
600 or 700 a piece, probably.
Yeah. Not bad find. Hoist and the top. That's what's left. Spilled some gear oil and gear lube. You never smelled gear lube before. Oh, it's bad. I hate that smell so much.
You got any of that oil dry?
Yeah. Yeah, I didn't think of that.
It's alright.
Here. Last thing we need is that shit leaking out is past the state trooper.
Yeah.
Whew. Alright, we'll sweep up and I'll drag this out first and sweep up. That broom handy? Well, first unit's done. Took us all, what, 30 minutes?
Something like that.
Sorry I don't sit here and go through all the boxes for everybody, but time is money. I'll do that when I have time. All right.
No shit.
Al seems slightly impressed.
Well, you don't see vetters on 300s very often, or 350.
Right? I assume all the engine parts are probably for this chopper.
Yeah, one would assume. She's pretty rough.
Yeah, good parts on it though.
Yeah.
Like those seats are killer. Oh my god.
Fuck yeah, they are.
You see those bar risers?
Yeah, pretty ridiculous.
And the Amen Savior frame.
The coolest, worst frame ever made.
I assume that's the stock 750 frame back there. Assume. Could be wrong. Or is that the sidecar frame? Oh, that's the sidecar frame.
Yeah.
Okay, never mind. That's the sidecar.
Yeah. Well, no, there's a bike frame.
Oh, there is a bike
too,
frame
but
back here?
It's not a 750.
It's not a 750?
No.
Okay.
750 has 3 down tubes on the backbone.
Another set of Jeep doors over here. Just sold a set. Take-off seat.
Yeah.
It's like brand new.
Looks damn near brand new.
Yeah. It's probably off of whatever this guy is over here. This got an aftermarket seat on it.
Yeah. Oh, that's a early gold wing.
Okay.
Thing.
If it's silver, is it a silver one?
There was a silver wing. But no, this is a GL1000, so it's a early gold wing.
Oh. Look at those pipes.
Yeah.
Those are kind of cool.
It's a good looking snowblower too.
All right.
Oh fuck!
What?
There's another Savior back there.
Is there?
Yeah.
Holy crap, there is. There is another one back there. That's awesome.
I think it's for whatever that is.
So we got 2 Savior frames.
Looks like a small Honda or maybe.
That's freaking awesome. Grab a few things out here, like these Jeep doors. I can get those up for sale right away. I found the uppers for them in the other unit.
Alright, well, just trying to figure out how to jam them in the truck.
We got this. This is a nice little find. For once, it's actually what says what's on the box. It's an ARB ear locker for a Dana 35, and it's actually in there. And that's what the air compressor for it.
Yeah.
Look, it even comes with the air compressor. That is awesome. Just grab the whole box.
Yeah. Sell it all together.
Yeah,
Oil seals, bearings, it's everything.
that is a nice find. So basically, these doors and that locker pay for this locker. The locker will pay for the locker. Ah! Come back for you guys in a couple days. Think all this will fit in the box truck?
Tight. It'd be easier to put the trailer on. So.
Yeah, probably be better off just getting the trailer emptied, huh?
Yeah.
I'll work on that tomorrow. Sold a bunch of stuff out of the warehouse yesterday, so
That's good.
all I have left in front of the ambulance is 2 air compressors and the brake lathe.
Well, that's good.
So, got some room. Put the canoe on top of the ambulance.
You gotta get rid of that ambulance.
I gonna do something with it
Yeah.
eventually. Just like I'm gonna do something with everything.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling you.
Thanks. All right, let's go. Days of wasting. You say hi to everybody.
Hi.
Good.
I'm riding a bike.
Pretty cool bike, huh? That's actually really cool looking. I like it with the fairing on it. That's pretty cool.
What's this? This thing.
Right? It's not bad looking at all.
What's this?
All right, get to work. Sweep this out and we'll be done. All right, let's go find some lunch. How's it going? Just wanted to give everybody a quick update of what's been going on with, I call it the deal with the devil lockers, and just a little update in general. Well, you can see I've been a little busy lately, so you're gonna see a lot of vans coming up in the near future. So yeah. Sorry, I like vans, what can I say? So I gave Al this CB350 to go through and get running for me. He dropped it off yesterday. Pretty rare bike, actually. It's a CB350 4-cylinder. They only made these a couple years, and it's they're kind of bizarre because they look like a, you know, big 4-cylinder Honda, but they're not. They're tiny. I like this bike. I like it enough that I'm gonna go ahead and get the title taken care of for it, because it's definitely worth getting a title for this one. Let's see if it'll start. Choke, and I left the fuel on because that's me, and I always leave fuel on for some stupid reason. I'd say he did a pretty good job. Start straight up. So it's a pretty nice little bike. Yeah, I'm gonna get the title for this. Then I'll keep it. I don't really keep anything, but we'll see what happens. Got the bags to go on the back and everything, so it's a pretty cool bike. It was a 73, I think it is, CB354. These have a little bit of a cult following, so it's pretty cool. Yeah, got a lot of videos to do. Been short-handed the past few weeks. My main guy, my best buddy Neil, he's been in California for the past 2 or 3 weeks visiting his girlfriend, so he's supposed to come back tonight, I think. So been kind of short-handed and running myself ragged, so not much time to make and edit videos lately. But some of the more notable things I sold from this locker, I sold the Amon Saver CB750 rolling chassis. I got $600 out of that. The sidecar setup I got, I believe $750. The Jeep doors I sold for $750. There was a engine hoist / engine stand light combo set. I think I got $250 out of that. Sold it a lot on eBay, which I'll show you right after I finish here. I'll show you all the notable sales off of that. So I did really good on the 2 lockers. I'm real happy with the way it turned out, and I still have a ton of parts left to sell. There ended up being a lot of rear parts in there. There ended up being a bunch of Honda CB750 Sandcast parts, and that's basically the first run of the CB750s. And those parts are really hard to find and pretty valuable. So I will leave you with those, and I hope everybody's doing well, and see you soon.